Good morning students. Today will start a topic is kinds of quadrilateral. Kinds of quadrilateral, that the first is now understand square. Square is a four-side quadrilateral. Square is a four-side quadrilateral. Okay, that is the four-side quadrilateral, and first property is they all sides are equal. All sides are equal. It's mean that the quadrilateral of A, B, C and D, it's mean that AB equal to BC equal to CA, CD and equal to DA. That is the side of the square. And second property is that all angles are equal. All angles are equal. That's all angles means that the angle A is equal to angle of B is equal to angle of C and is equal to angle of D and is 90, equal and right angles. Equal and right angles. The quadrilateral. Okay, and there is rhombus. Rhombus is a very special quadrilateral. Rhombus is like a square, but is not all angles are equal. That is the diagram of rhombus ABC. It's the it's four side quadrilateral, and all side are equal. All sides are equal. It's mean that AB equal to BC equal to CD and equal to DA. You write the AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. And second topic is angle. What is the importance of angle? That only opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. It's mean that is the angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Okay, now that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. And third topic is the diagonals. Diagonals are it's similarly two diagonals. Okay, it is that AB AC equal to BC. It's mean it is the equal. Okay, and the very important point is intersect the two diagonals is O, and diagonals is it is bisect each other. Bisect each other, it's mean that this the part is equal to this part and this part equal to that part. It means you write AO equal to OC and BO equal to OB, and it bisect on only perpendicular bisect on 90 degree. It's called the perpendicular bisect, it means the angle is 90. Some diagram will this type of make, the sides are equal, okay, the sides are equal, and the diagonal that A, B, C and D, okay, that is this, and two diagonals and the perpendicular on bisect perpendicular, it means that the angle of each angle of 9. Next quadrilateral is kite. It's a four side, okay, that is a kite. This diagram, you now understand the kite, okay, that the A, B and C, this is the kite. Kite is special category quadrilateral. The side is AB equal to BC, this side equal to this side, and this side and equal to this side. It means that BC is equal to AD, okay, and no any relation between angle, no any relation between angle, only relation between side, okay. They are very simple quadrilaterals. It is trapezium. Trapezium is a this type of diagram, okay, that is the A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. The property first is a only one pair of side is parallel. Only one pair of the side of parallel. Which pair? That the AB parallel to CD. It is not equal. This is only parallel, okay, and no any relation between angle. So diagram, this type diagram is trapezium. This type of diagram trapezium, and this type of diagram of trapezium, but this type of this, okay, this type of diagram, this is the trapezium, this is the trapezium, this is the trapezium, because the two side is A, B, okay, that AB and C and D, okay, the distance between side AB and CD are all points are equal. The distance are all points are equal. Here is a distance is, and here distance is not equal. This type of diagram is not a trapezium. Here is angle of 90, but this distance is and this distance are equal. So this type of parallelogram. And simple property, the sum of all angle in quadrilateral is 360. It means the angle of A plus B, angle C plus angle D is 360. Second is rectangle. The rectangle shape is, this type of quadrilateral is rectangle, that is the A, B, C and D. Okay, and the property of rectangle that opposite sides are parallel and equal. It's mean the side of AB is parallel to CD and side AD parallel to BC. You write that AB parallel to AD parallel to DC and BC parallel to DA, and AB equal to DC comma and AD equal to BC. Next is a angle. The quadrilateral is 4 angles, that angle A, B, C, D. Similar to property of a square, they all angles equal and right angles. Okay, it's mean that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90. And third is diagonals. Then the diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. It's mean the diagonals is AC and BC. That means AC equal to BC. Quadrilateral is parallelogram. Parallelogram is a name of parallel. It's mean the sides, that is the A, B, C and D. It's the, suppose this is the rectangle, okay, and rectangle is opposite sides are parallel and equal, and move the something is the direction is go on parallelogram. Okay, the hits mean opposite sides are parallel. Okay, second, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal, it's mean the angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. It's mean the angle of A equal to angle of D. It's mean that we write angle of A equal to angle of C and angle of B is equal to angle of D. Okay, and next topic is, third topic is diagonal. Diagonals its diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal, but a bisect each. Bisect each other. It's mean that with AO equal to OC and OB equal to OD, there is the, this part is equal to this part and this part is equal to this part. Okay, this is the general information of quadrilateral, and you write, before you start the exercise, you write the all quadrilaterals definitions, diagrams and property is in given your books. In your books is given that is is given in the last page of the chapter is page number 56, the summary of the chapter, and then we start the exercise. Next day will we start the exercise. Okay.
Peace.